Okay. Oh, everything started going downhill real quick. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely day. I am personally having a fantastic midnight. Apparently this is like the only time I can find to film, so I'm just gonna roll with it. But in absolutely shocking news, we are going to be doing yet another unboxing today, but it is going to be one of my favorite unboxings for the month, or at least I hope so, because it is the Boxycharm for the month of August, and typically Boxycharm is like right up there with my favorite subscription. So here I have my Boxycharm. It's bulging out a little bit. Pretty excited to see what is in here. And at the end of this video, I will be trying everything on my face. Right now, it is currently looking slightly terrifying. I have this on my cheek. I've decided to call him Felipe 30 seconds ago. I don't know why, but soon enough, he will be covered up. Let's go ahead and hop on into the unboxing here. For those of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a $20-ish a month subscription. It varies a little bit based on like the plan you choose. It does, however, have free shipping, which I personally really enjoy because I don't enjoy paying for shipping. And it comes with full-size beauty products, and that's one of my favorite parts about Boxycharm. It's not those tiny little samples. Nothing in here is gonna look like doll makeup. It's gonna have like actual full-size, life-size, human-size products in it. Alrighty, on top here we have a little pamphlet that'll tell us all about the items inside the box and their full-size prices, but I'll go over that at the end. Alrighty, so I have my box open here in front of me, and I'm seeing some things I'm pretty excited about, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull this little guy out here first. So first up, we have a pair of lashes from House of Lashes, and mine came in the style Boudoir Mini. These do look like a lovely little pair of lashes. However, I very rarely wear fake lashes, and I'm not very good at putting them on, but I have said multiple times that I really do want to get better on putting on fake lashes because I do think they can enhance mini makeup looks. I highly doubt this is something that's going to be an everyday thing for me, but I definitely want to give false lashes a bit more of a chance. Okie dokie. Next up in here we have something from Adessi. I feel like I actually get stuff from this brand quite often in subscription boxes, and I still don't know how to say the name. And is it a bit? I was gonna say, is anybody surprised? But obviously I can't just speak regular words, so probably not. But this here is an organic infused age-defying nail treatment, and it is a sweet almond cuticle oil. I also feel like I probably don't have to tell you guys that, yeah, my nails are real bad. They're real bad. There's no sugarcoating it. They're pretty awful. I was going to go get fake, false, whatever type nails. But because at the store I have to work so much with my hands, like scratching off old paint and stuff like that, I just figured they would be destroyed anyway. But maybe with this here, I could take some better care of my natural nails. So here is the little bottle. It does look like a regular nail polish bottle, but inside it's almond oil and not nail polish. This is about 7,000 times easier to apply than regular fingernail polish, so maybe I'll actually use it. Okie dokie. Next up here from Bang Beauty, we got ourselves a little something. Ooh, okay, this is a gel eyeliner in the shade Chocolate, and I have to say that I am not a huge brown eyeliner fan. I do wear eyeliner like every single day of my life, black winged eyeliner to be exact. Like even today I decided I didn't want to wear foundation or any of that jazz, but I had to put on brows and full-on black cat eyeliner. But brown eyeliner isn't something I'm really like drawn to that much. However, I do use brown pot eyeliner to like lay down a dark base for dark brown eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like in the little pot there. I love this like thick glass bottom because there's literally no product in it. It's just a big piece of glass. Alrighty guys, next up here we have something from Wonder Beauty, and these are Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I really like that name, Baggage Claim. Very, very clever. So we have actually 3 pairs of them in here, which is really nice. And since I am trying on everything today, I will give these little puppies a try. Okay, so I saved the last 2 products that I'm most excited for last. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this right here, which is a Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, which is one of my favorite formulas of liquid lipstick. However, I'm noticing from the box that this looks like a straight up brown lipstick, which I can't personally say that I own any of those. I'll see what it looks like on, but right now it's looking real brown. Here is what it looks like in the tube, and it does look like there is maybe like a tiny bit of red to this, so maybe it won't won't come off just like straight brown on my lips. I really don't know how that would look on me, but I guess we'll find out. And then last but not least, we have a little palette here, and this is actually from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. I personally have not yet tried anything from the Laura Lee brand, so this will be my first experience with it. However, I've never heard of this palette before. This is the Party Animal palette. The outer packaging is pretty cute. It just has like a triangle motif on it. It says Party Animal. Okay, and some very bright colors. So this is definitely a vibrant palette. We have 6 different shades here, which are Issa Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Dranks, Bottoms Up, and Hung Over. So those are some very fun, fancy shade names there. It looks like I'm about to finger paint, so I'll go ahead and get you guys some swatches. First we have It's the Party. Then we have Damage Control. Wow. Then we have Karaoke. Ooh. Next up is Dranks. What's happening? Why does it look that color on camera? Huh? I'm so confused. Okay, in real life, this just looks kind of like orange, but in the camera, it's looking like a terrible green orange something. Okay, that's very strange. I don't know what is happening there. Then we have Bottoms Up, and finally, finally we have Hung Over. And these are probably the absolute worst swatches in history, but there they are. I have Hung Over kind of all over me. I am definitely excited to give all this a go here. I really don't know how like these shadows with a brown liner and a brown lip are gonna work out together, but it's a good thing it's midnight and I'm going literally nowhere. So even if I turn out like a clown wreck, which is highly possible based on my skill when it comes to eyeshadow, I won't have to see humans, which is good. I'm really not 100% sure why I have a humongous wad of paper next to me that I'm using as a makeup wipe. Alrighty guys, so that was everything that I received in my Boxycharm. I'm going to quickly read the full-size pricing here and then we'll do a little bit of math and add up the value of the box. So first up is the Laura Lee Los Angeles eyeshadow palette, which is $19. Then we have the House of Lashes, which are currently missing, which range between $9 and $12, I guess, on the style you got. Then we have the Wonder Beauty eye masks, which are $13. The Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner, which is $22, and then finally the cuticle oil here, which is $18. Let me quickly consult with my ice cream calculator here and I'll figure out, well, maybe I should turn this bright side up first. I'll figure out how much the box is worth. Ooh, okay, so this is actually a little bit on the low side for Boxycharm. I feel like we get like well into the over $100 range, but my total value came to $105. I think I completely forgot to say that this, I believe, is $24. Alrighty guys, that was everything for my Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys thought about it down below in the comments. And now we're going to move on into a try on of all of these items here. This should be very interesting. I always say that, but this one truly should be because we got very bright neon colors with a whole lot of brown, so we'll see how those two come together. So if you want to stick around for the try on that is starting now, let me go ahead and grab a pair of cat ears here and we can hop on into it. Oh, I love how we're not even into the makeup try on part yet and I already have purple eyeshadow all over my face. That's a great indicator of what's to come, I'm sure. Alrighty, so I actually found a real life makeup wipe, so I'm gonna get rid of my eyeliner so I can have a fresh start. Why is this not wiping off my face? Aren't makeup wipes supposed to wipe makeup off your face instead of just smearing it around? Alrighty, so I had to rub lotion around my eyes and then wipe it off with this Burt's Bees makeup wipe to actually get the makeup off my face. But now that I have a blank canvas here, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some primer. This is the Météorites base by Guerlain. I just received this primer the other day in an unboxing video. This was sent to me by Guerlain. I've been really looking forward to giving it a try. It smells real good. Next, I'm going to take my Revlon Color Stay in the shade 150, which is in a very sad looking state right now, and just scrape some out of the bottom here and put that on. Bye-bye, Felipe. I'm not about to waste any of this foundation. I like that I literally can't see anything that's happening in the mirror right now, but I'm totally pretending I can. Next, I'm going to be giving this HelloFab Bendy Avocado Concealer from First Aid Beauty a try. This was sent to me by First Aid Beauty. It is a little bit on the dark side for me. but I'm hoping it'll kind of like color correct a little bit underneath my, oh man, how do I have literally the worst memory? I was gonna try out the little golden boomerangs underneath my eyes. I was gonna talk about how like dark and puffy and baggy my eyes look underneath them, and this is exactly what that was for, and I completely forgot to try it. I'm sorry you guys, I'm just the worst. I really have the worst memory in the entire world. It's a bit concerning. Alrighty, I'm going to quickly set my face and then I will be right back. Okie dokie, for blush, I'm going to be using this tiny little blush here from Steve Laurent, and this brush, which is definitely not at all a blush brush, but it's the closest thing to me. And then for highlight, I'm going to be trying out this OFRA highlighter in the shade Pillow Talk. Apparently this has like brand new packaging, which I'm really excited to see. This was sent to me by OFRA, and ooh, it's actually really pretty. It is definitely different from their old packaging. If I could find one real quick over here. Why is everything a disaster? Okay, I can't find one, but before the packaging was like round and kind of like plasticky, clear on top and black on the bottom. I like this one much better. Oh boy. Okay, maybe I need to go a little bit more light-handed with this because that looks like basically just a white stripe on my face. Alrighty guys, so I just threw on some brows really fast and now it's time to move on into the most terrifying part, which is the eyeshadow. Apart from just not being the absolute best at eyeshadow, these are incredibly bright colors. So, help. I really do not know how this is going to turn out. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, so I'm just gonna get a fluffy brush and just start putting something on my eyes. I guess it literally does not matter because I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just gonna take drinks right here and just start putting it on my eyes. Sure. Yeah, why not? Oh, it's orange. It's definitely orange. All right, so now my eyes are orange. But you know, it went on there pretty good actually. I don't know where to go from here though. Where do you go from a tangerine eyelid? I don't know. Can you put orange and purple together? Is that okay? Okay, so now I'm taking Hungover with my finger and just dabbing it on because we've gone this far. Oh no! I tried to tap off the excess on my finger like it's a brush. Okay. Oh, everything started going downhill real quick. Okay, so I got Hungover way too high up and there's fallout all over my face now and I'm panicking. Okay, Hungover does not want to stay where I put it. So I put down a sticky base of concealer and then I patted Hungover onto it. Now I'm going to take Bottoms Up and put it in the middle. I don't know what's going on here. I'm just trying to salvage my eyes. Okay, so I have one eye on here and I don't really know how it got to this point because everything was like a panic-driven blur because things started to go awry very, very quickly. But basically what I did here is I put Drinks down and then I patted on Hangover. It started going everywhere, so then I put some concealer down, patted on more Hangover. Then in the middle I put Bottoms Up and then I kind of put a blend of all of those under my eyelashes. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to this other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I tried to make this side match that side as much as possible. Did I accomplish that? Questionable, highly questionable. But now it's time to move on to eyeliner, which is going to be brown, which I don't know if that's gonna end up looking okay with this or not. I guess we will see. So I'm just going to take this little angled brush here and dip in. This really honestly looks like a brow pomade to me and not an eyeliner. It's very, very light brown, so I'm a little bit nervous here. Okay, so it might just be the extreme colors on my eyes right now, but this eyeliner is not showing up at all. So I don't know if I'm going to continue to use it. Maybe I can put it like in the waterline or something. Okay, that doesn't work either. Alrighty, so the eyeliner here is just not working out for me, you guys. I cannot get it to show up either on my upper lash line or like in my waterline or anything. So I'm gonna give that a try on another day with a different eye look, a very different eye look. Alright you guys, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna really try to do it. I'm gonna attempt to put on these false eyelashes. I know it's gonna take me at least 40 minutes and it's already 1 a.m. So, you know, I'm gonna spare you the pain of watching this and I'll just be right back as soon as I can finally get these things on, or I should say if I can get these things on. Okay, so moving on to the final step here, we have the lips. Now, I don't know if I would personally choose a brown liquid lipstick to go with such a bold look, but that is what we have been given today. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip on into this. Ooh. It does glide on very nicely though. And here it is, the final look with the brown lipstick and the very sunset looking eyes and the absolutely not wonky at all eyelashes. It honestly is not as bad as I thought it was going to be at the beginning of the try on. I thought I was going to look absolutely insane, but it ended up only looking like mildly scary. But I would definitely love to know your all's thoughts and opinions on the eyeshadow, lipstick, everything together. Overall, I think the box was pretty good. The eyeshadow palette I think is definitely fun. Some of the shades I wish there was just a little bit more pigment and it wasn't so patchy. I do really like the liquid lipstick because I love the formula. The color isn't what I would typically pick for myself, but with fall coming up, maybe I could do like a very different makeup look from what I'm wearing right now and actually work it in with it. Also, the value for some reason for this box is a lot lower than it typically is. I mean, like I said, it's still an amazing value for what you pay for the box, but I'm just used to the box typically holding a little bit more value. But that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you don't mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and don't forget that we do have a giveaway going on right now where I'm giving away 1 year of the subscription right here, plus a year of Ipsy. I will leave the link for the giveaway video down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. And other than that, I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!